Hey everyone, good evening. I hope y'all have a wonderful blessed day today. And we have went to Walmart and I went in the diamond painting area and I was gonna get me a blue hair bow with a cowl on clearance for $5, but they didn't have it in stock at our Walmart, so I like, well, I'll get me another Walmart, and this one is called Floral Garland Fox. And it has the picture right there, if y'all can see, and centimillion, I guess how you say it. I mean, means medium level with exclusive design. It's got a fox wearing a flower headband. It's got a flower wreath around the fox. And then it comes with 3 new dotting tools by Diamond Dots. All inclusive diamond art kit. Special edition. Look how cute the fox is, y'all. And I'm trying to see what, and I think this is 11 inch by 11 inch design size, and the fabric is 13 by 8 inch by 13.8 centimeters. I'm not good with inches, but look how cute the fox is, y'all. Ain't he so adorable? I saw this, I was like, I had to get this. So I want to show you what I got. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and if y'all new, make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like, comment, and share it out, and let me know what you think of the diamond dot painted up fox. And be sure to let me know. And I hope y'all have a blessed evening, and I'll see y'all next time. Take care everyone, see y'all later, bye.